G'day Phil as well. Grandma gave me this clock radio, nice old GE from the early 80s. The GE made some pretty good stuff in those days for clock radios. Pretty unique too. I've bought this weeks ago before I went to Taiwan. It's a more powerful 50 watt per channel Bluetooth amplifier. I looked up reviews online and this was actually a surprisingly very good quality of sound and performance and efficiency unit. Got a lot of good reviews on this one. The audio inputs go in here, so you got the option. You got a relay there, Bluetooth and line input. What I could do is solder some wires and a speaker connector, or just solder some other sorts of wires on here. The speakers. These are the speaker output terminals. This unit's very good quality reviews on this one. Actually, they are L7805CV. No, they're regulators for the Bluetooth 5 volt section. So I think it's a 25 volt capacitor, so it's be 12 volt system. 25 volt 3300 microfarad Nichicon capacitor. It's a quality unit too. I'll have to recheck the specs. I think it's 24 volt, but I think this I'll have to reconfirm that the capacitor should be a bit higher voltage than that if it's going to be a 24 volt input. But you can run this thing off a laptop power brick and you get really good performance out of it. It also has treble, bass and volume. Mains power switch. I should if I had enough money I could buy a 3D printer and make a custom enclosure for this. I don't know where my Lapai I should find my Lapai LP838 the enclosure of that and make a custom front and back plate to fit this inside and run an area at the back for this Bluetooth receiver. That's a very this is 50 watts per channel, so which is a very good quality of sound. This one, this little LM1036N is removable and you can replace it. There's less surface mount involved on this, other than this main chip under here, which I think is the amplifier chip. I can't remember what the chipset is, but it's quite a good one for something like this. So, if you want to build a good worksite radio Bluetooth speaker project with a bit of oomph, this is the one you're going to get. The other one I've got, the Soundwoo, is good, but this is if you want something more powerful, get this model. Very good reviews on that one. Make sure it's this one with a blue circuit board. Apparently the green circuit board version is made with a lot cheaper components. It isn't as good as this one, so something to keep in mind. The other parts of my Bluetooth speaker have arrived. For this one here, finally rocked up in the post. I've got some extensions, USB ports here. 10 of those, they're pretty cheap, so they're useful for stuff. So I'm going to use that to extend the back of that box to charge it from the outside. This is the little receiver board for the battery monitoring, everything on this one board. Bluetooth input only for the audio. Speaker outputs, power input, and your charger goes in here. So I'm going to have to solder some wires under here to extend this. This is actually surface mounted. But I got another alternative. I'm going to cut up an old phone charger cord and solder those sockets onto a phone charger cord to extend this instead of just tapping wires off this board like this. Your Bluetooth's here, 6 watts, and this will run straight. I'll make an 18650 battery pack, plug it straight in there, plug in the speakers and just chuck it all in that box. And that's all you got to worry about. I think there's a power switch which I'll run in line with the batteries, which I'll solder a power switch in line with the batteries. So it's a very simple little module. This be perfect for these little speaker enclosure. I think I might use those laptop bench speakers though. That'd be better for this. That'd be perfect. So that's a project to come. Anyway, busy. Thanks for watching.